Hey, in this video I'm going to tell you how to start dropshipping if you're a beginner. But before I start with the video, I can offer you Shopify 3 days for free, no credit card required, and also you can get it for only $1 that month. You don't have to pay the $37, you only have to pay $1. So first, what you need to do is you need to do market research. You need to identify a niche with potential demand and analyze competitors and market trends. Then you need to create a Shopify account, sign up for Shopify account, and choose a suitable firm for your business needs. As mentioned, you can get it for free if you use the link in the description. Next, you want to choose products with a good profit margins and high demand. Consider product availability and shipping times. Then you want to find a reliable dropshipping supplier or wholesaler. Ensure that they have good reputation and reliable shipping. Then you want to optimize your Shopify store's design and layout. Optimize product page with compelling description and images. Then configure payment gateways. Then define shipping zones and rates. From there, you want to develop a digital marketing plan like social media, SEO, email marketing, and consider influencer marketing or partnerships. Then you want to register your business and obtain necessary licenses and clearly outline terms of service and refund policies. Then implement user-friendly navigation and checkout process, utilize custom reviews and trust badges, set up good Google Analytics to track website performance, test different strategies and optimize based on results, implement responsive customer support, provide clear communication on shipping on order status, and then monitor sales and customer feedback, scale your advertising and product range based on successful items. Remember, success in dropshipping requires continuous learning and adaptation. Stay informed about e-commerce trends, adjust your strategies, and provide excellent customer service to build a sustainable business. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and also don't forget about the link in the description.